Hey everyone, welcome back. If the TD Bank app keeps freezing or becomes unresponsive, it's usually due to memory or a app performance issue. So let's fix it. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the TD Bank US, then swipe it away. Next, you are going to reopen it. Now, restart your phone to clear temporary system memory. Next, go ahead and make sure the TV app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for the TD Bank. After you search for it, go ahead and make sure that you have updated it. Look if you have updated it or not. If not, make sure to update it because you will have the latest files. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. After that, go ahead and close all the other background apps. To free up RAM on Android, clear the app's cache. On iPhone, long press on the TD Bank app icon and then remove app, then delete app. After you delete the app, reinstall it from the app store and then open it. After these steps, the TD Bank app should run smoothly without freezing, and that's it. Subscribe for more.